everyone! Welcome back to the Catfish Wow channel. What a beautiful day it is! Oh! Look over there! Something is moving. Everyone, let me open it up and see. Oh my gosh! There's a black fish. It's so big, everyone. What is it doing by the stream, guys? I'm going to put it into this water tank, everyone. Wow! Look, everyone. There are so many colorful things. Oh! It seems like there's something inside. Hey, everyone. Look at this. It's a little frog, guys.
Wow!
Oh no! It just jumped away.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to catch it again, everyone. One just jumped away. Look! Here's another little frog. What is it doing, guys?
Oh yeah.
Let's continue opening this box. Oh wow!
Wow! Did you see
Look
that?
at this. There are so many fish-like fish.
Oh yeah.
I counted about 10 white fish here, everyone. Maybe they were looking for food and got stuck inside. Let's keep opening it.
Oh.
Guys, look at this, a pink fish. It's a pink carp. It's so big. And I'm going to catch it. And there's more inside this box. Oh wow! Everyone, a goldfish. Wow! Oh wow! Look at this. Everyone, a yellow frog. It's so chubby. Wow!
Yay.
I've never seen such a fat frog before, guys. What a lucky find. I'm going to catch it and put it in this fish tank. Come along with me. Let's catch some fish.
Wow!
Look over there. There's a round yellow object. It looks like a little box. And I'm going to open it. Oh my gosh! Everyone! What a surprise! There are hundreds of koi fish in there. Red koi. Wow! Yellow koi. Look at them all, guys. Wow! I'm going to catch them one by one. Why are there so many colorful fish here, everyone? This is so much fun. I'll put all these fish into the tank. And let's keep going, everyone. Look over there. There's something, guys. What's over there? Let's go check it out. Come on, let's move closer and see what it is. Hey everyone, does anyone know what this is? Let's check inside. I'm opening it now, look. A fish. Oh, what kind of fish is this, guys? It's a Pleco, an algae-eating fish. Oh, so cute. But why is it in here? Let's continue opening this yellow box. Look, everyone. A very slippery fish. Oh!
Yeah.
Get him!
It's a loach. Wow! This fish is really slippery and hard to catch.
Wow!
But I'm going to catch it and put it in the fish tank. Look! What is this? It's a water lizard. It's black. Oh wow!
Perfect!
Guys, I'm a little scared, but I'm going to catch it anyway. Hey everyone! Look at this. There's something here. Wow! I can see something inside. Let me open it. Oh my gosh! Everyone, what a surprise! There's a big white fish. Wow! So huge! Wow! It's a ranchy carp, right guys? And there's also a yellow fish.
Oh yeah!
Wow! Oh, and I see a black fish too. Amazing! What a lucky find! I'm going to catch them and put them in the fish tank.
Wow!
And look at this, there's something on top of another box. I opened it.
Nice.
And oh wow,
Oh
a
yeah.
big orange fish. It has black eyes. Guys, wow,
Okay.
it's so strong. I'm going to put it in the tank. Oh, and there's more. A pink fish, pink-orange in color.
Let's go!
Wow, it's huge. This is a parrotfish ferret carp. Wow! Everyone, what a lucky day. Look over here, everyone. There's a dried coconut. And inside, oh wow, there's a crab. A hermit crab with a green shell. I'm going to put it in here. And look, everyone, underneath there are so many fish. Wow! So many colorful fish. These are ranchu fish. It's such a big ranchu fish tank. Guys, this is amazing, everyone. I'm so excited. I'm going to catch these fish and put them in the fish tank. Wow! Look at this, a ranchu fish. It's orange and black, super big. As big as my hand. I've already caught so many ranchu fish. Let's keep going, everyone. Wow! Look over there. There's a dry leaf. And it's moving, guys.
Wow!
Underneath, there's a black fish. Oh! What kind of fish is this? It's so big, everyone. Look at it. It has so many patterns. Hey, everyone, look at this. What kind of fish is this? There's something under the dry leaf. Wow, it's so big, guys. Wow, it's huge. So slippery, too. It's as big as my two hands. Everyone, I've never seen a fish like this. Look at this, everyone. A fish, a yellow fish. It's so big, really huge. And this is a snakehead fish, guys. What a lucky find, a patterned snakehead with so many markings. Look at it, everyone. Let's keep catching fish. Everyone, the fish tank is really heavy with all this water and fish. Look over there, is that a cat, guys? What is the cat doing? Oh, it's trying to catch something inside this box. Wow! There's something jumping back and forth. Everyone, let me open it and see. Wow, it's yellow. Oh, what a strange creature. Ah, it's a frog, a tree frog. Everyone, this is the type of frog that lives in trees. It's very rare, and I'm going to catch it. Guys, it's jumping so fast. Look at it go. Look, everyone, check this out, a green leaf. And underneath, there's something, guys. Wow! Such a secret. So mysterious. A black creature, a reptile. It has really sharp teeth. Did you hear it? Wow! Let me open it. Oh my gosh. Everyone, look. A baby crocodile. Guys, a baby crocodile trying to catch a fish. I'm going to use this stick to catch the crocodile. Everyone, make sure to stay away from the crocodile. It's very aggressive. Look, everyone. The crocodile is swimming and hunting for fish. Now, Let's continue releasing the fish we just caught into this huge fish tank. Guys, here's a chubby yellow frog. Look at it swim. And now,
Wow.
we're going to release this white lionhead carp. The fancy carp. Into the tank. Next up is this ranchu carp. Everyone. Oh! The fish are swimming so cutely. So many fish, everyone. So many fish. What a lucky day, guys. And look at this huge ranchu carp. It's gigantic. I'm going to release it into the tank. Wow, everyone, let's keep going. And here's a colorful shell. Let's see what creatures we can catch next. Oh, look over there. We just caught a little white mouse.
Wow.
Everyone. And look over here, there's a fish trap. And inside. Oh wow, guys. There are 2 turtles. One yellow turtle and one black turtle. What a lucky find! I'm going to catch them too. Everyone, la la la. Catch everything and put it into the colorful shell. And look over here, there's a box.
Wow.
Oh wow, everyone. A giant mouse. A really chubby mouse, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give a like. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.